So I owe you all an apology. I just released a video. I had actually edited and published or uploaded that on Saturday, and it just went live this morning on the Emax Hawk Apex 3.5, right? Well, I owe you all an apology. I got it completely wrong. This is a 5-inch, and so all through the video, I'm referring to this, and my stance on it is that it's 3.5 inch, and that was just wrong. I got home from work this evening. Usually I have time during the course of the day, little gaps where I can pop open the YouTube Studio app from my phone and maybe check the comments and reply as I can. Or oftentimes on days where videos are released, I get some Facebook messages and other things like that. But I had a chance, but I think I only got like one or two comments responded to, and they were pretty short and sweet. But yeah, got it really wrong. And if you were confused, obviously I was too. I am confused in this moment. And looking at this now, thinking, I thought for, 10 days, 2 weeks of flying this thing, that it was a 3.5 inch. I don't know why it didn't occur to me, but I'm sorry that I got that so wrong. Hopefully we can get some enjoyment. I guess the upside of this is now those of it watched have seen me fly 5-inch in the backyard. That's an upside. Oh, another upside just occurred to me. I can now compare micros to 5-inchers, right? Maybe that's an upside. Maybe that's a very specific 5-inch comparison. But again, I apologize. I got that wrong. I want to get this uploaded. Make sure I demonetize it so I'm not bogarting any more of your time. I'm sorry. I messed up and I don't know why I got it so wrong. Okay. Thanks.